Hi there guys, I've been asked today to make a little former for some pen blanks from my mate Neil. He's just getting his turning. So I'm going to make a former out of some scrappy bits of wood that I've got off an old TV unit. They're going to be 20mm by 20mm by 15mm, and I'm going to cast some resin for him, and he's going to use it to have a go at making some pens. So here we go, and I'm going to be using my new Evo Rage table saw to help me out with this. So here goes. So I've got the fence set to 25mm to rip some 25mm strips for the former. So let's fire it up and do the first cuts. That's the first cut done. I must say this saw is an absolute beast of a machine. It's the first time I've ever really had a go on a table saw since getting this delivered on Thursday, and I must say it's brilliant. I've did a bit more room in the shed for it for the outfeed and what have you, but you know, it's a great bit of kit. That's those two bits done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them to size lengthwise and then basically glue them to a board 20mm apart. Then before pouring the resin, I'll line it with cling film so it comes away, it doesn't get stuck all over the former, and then yeah, get them packaged up and posted down to Neil. My mate Neil, he's got a YouTube channel. I'll post a link to him down in the comments, so you know, check him out too. He does some great stuff. Back soon. Right, then that's the noisy bit done. I've ripped these down to, they're about 1 inch by whatever they are, so they're going to be the uprights for this former. I've marked out my board here just with some lines at 2cm gaps. So I'm going to make, these are about 35cm. The blanks want to be 20mm by 20mm by 300mm, sorry, by 150mm. So I've made, these are going to be two 20mm spacers just to save the resin running out. So it's going to be a case of screwing and gluing this lot together. Then I'll show you the end result. Right, back in a tick. So I use everyone's favourite for this, the old Kreg K4 pocket hole jig. This is an absolute brilliant bit of kit. Makes life very, very easy. Four pocket holes, piece of cake. A bit of glue. Putting the screws on the outside, because I imagine these would be a right pain in the backside if these got full up already resin when pouring it in. So I'm just going to glue that down there and get the pocket hole screws. One. 2. Do the same the other end. And then put the centres in. Actually, line the centres up first for length. Let's go in there. That one's going there. Glue across the bottom. Pocket holes again. Where are the screws? Here are my screws. Pocket hole screws in the pocket holes, 1 and 2. Just going to glue and screw the spaces in now. So stripe of glue down the backs. And there we have the finished article. So this is going to be able to cast 6 pen blanks at a time. There'll be double lengths. There'll be 300mm by 20 by 20. So yeah, it's not pretty, but once the glue's gone off, I'll line it with cling film and mix up some resin and do some pouring, and well, see how it goes. That might be a video for another day though. So that's probably it for now for this pen blank former that I built. Cheers for now, bye.